Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's important for your privacy while gaming on Roblox. If you're wondering how to turn off location services on the Roblox app for PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up the Start menu. This is your gateway to access all the settings you need. Next, look for and click on Settings. This option usually resembles a gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see various categories. We're aiming for privacy here, so let's move on to the next step. Now click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial for managing all your privacy options, including location services. Once you're in, you'll find a list of features on the left. Scroll down and click on Location. This will open up the location settings, where you can see how apps are utilizing your location. Finally, you'll want to disable the option that says, Let apps access your location. Simply toggle this switch off. This ensures that apps, including Roblox, can't access your location data anymore. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can take control of your privacy while enjoying your gaming experience on Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.